Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. It's been so long we updated, we did not update ready-made set-wise, and right now what are all the available sizes which we have, we are going to update. Usually we have sizes of M, L, XL, double XL it's quite rare. And let's start the show. The first salwar is this. It's a short top with patiala and with a patchwork dupatta. And the second one is this. This is a modal silk fabric, alright, and it's a lengthy top, and it comes with a beautiful pant. It's a gathering pant. No, it's a parallel pant with elastic, alright, and this is the modal silk dupatta. So nice it is. See this. This is the modal silk dupatta. The second dress is this. All with value added. This comes with a top, pant and dupatta concept. The fabrics are really rich. It's a cotton by linen fabric, and it comes with a parallel pant, and it comes with a modal silk dupatta. All the dupatta is really lightweight, and the breadth of the dupatta is only this much, so that it is very easy to carry. Alright, and what's next? See this nice traditional maroon color. I love this dress. So beautiful it is, and this is the pant for this. Nowadays the pant comes with a neat parallel and stretchable pants, means on the hip, and then see this. The dupatta is this patchwork hand block printed dupatta with the pom-poms, and this is how the salwar look. Alright, what's next? See this. It's a linen fabric, linen by cotton with hand embroideries. Super duper collection it is, and this is the pant. The pant has a mild work, alright, and this is a kota silk dupatta. More or less the feel is kota doria dupatta with hand blocks. Alright, and then what's next? I have two different colors in the same pattern. Let me open this. I'll open both and show you so that you can understand. This is the top where you can find minute handworks here and there, and this is a gathering pant, and this comes with the cotton, soft cotton with a value added dupatta. So this is how it looks. Alright, and I've got one more color. It's a pale color, pale pink color. For the lights, the color may be a little darker, so you can go through our website and then place your orders. If you need any assistance, 9585501762 is our number. And this is how it looks. And my next collection is this. Last time we got in different colors, and this time we are updating in a different color. And this is a silk cotton fabric, and this is the gathering. It comes with a gathering pant, and then this is a kota doria dupatta. It's a soft cotton kota doria dupatta, and it's a beautiful work. And then see, I have got beautiful colors in this concept, two different colors. So this is a golden mustard, golden yellow color, and the fabric is really different. It's a mixed cotton fabric, and it comes with a gathering pant, and then it comes with the modal dupatta, and also see the patchwork on it. So nice and fine it is. And the second color is this peach color, pale peach color, and it's this little bit of half and half concept. And then this is the pant for this gathering, and this comes with the ash color modal silk with patchwork dupatta. Dupatta is so nice in this. So this is how it looks. And the next collections are these. These are all cottons with same concept, but the colors are different. So I'll open this color. So this is the top, and this is the pant, and this comes with an amazing dupatta. All dupatta concepts are really different. It's a silk by cotton dupatta, and one more color is this orange color. So this is how it is, and the same colored pant, and with a beautiful silk cotton dupatta. Alright, what's next? These are all the two different different colors but of same concept. My super duper hit, I can say. So many of my offline clients have this because they love this because of the stuff, and the fabric is so nice, and it's very comfort for office goers, casual wears we can say. And this comes with the modal silk block printed dupatta. And then the second color is this. So whichever color you guys like, you can go for. Please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com. Terinal Bailey. And then this. It's a silk cotton. Yeah, it's a modal silk fabric. So this is how it looks. It's a Kali pattern, and this is the pant, and this comes with the modal silk dupatta. Alright, and then this. It's a linen by cotton. All are so different and so nice, and especially meant for our Indian climatic condition. And this is the pant for this parallel pant. And then see this. This is the dupatta for this. What's next? See, these are two different colors of the same concept. So nice it is. The feel and the flow, it's so nice and amazing. And this is the pant, and see this. Modal silk dupatta. Lovely, it is so beautiful. And one more is this. So green, and then the same pant, but we have got a two different shaded dupatta. So pretty it is. What's next? See this. It's a silk cotton fabric with little value added of embroideries. So the available sizes, whatever sizes are available in our boutique, we have updated so that you guys can log on and place your orders according to your size. And this comes with the crushed dupatta. And then lovely patterns. All are, some are repeats. See, this is a silk cotton fabric, and this comes with the gathering pant, and this is the chiffon dupatta for this. Then lovely wonderful collection. It's once again a silk mixed linen fabric. The fabric is really different. Some fabric are really challenging to how to name the fabric, because when they mix silk by cotton by linen by tazar, so it is like that. And this is the chiffon dupatta for this. Alright guys, we'll be back with lots and lots of collection part 2. Stay tuned. Bye bye.